Hello traders, welcome to this video where we'll be using two indicators on our charts, the block force indicator and the quantum smart tool indicator. We already have both indicators applied to the chart right now, and as you can see, they're currently active on our screen. First, let's turn off the quantum smart tool indicator so we can hide it over here. Now you can see that we have only the block force indicator active on our chart. What the block force indicator does is show strong order block levels on the chart. As you can see, we have a strong order block over here, another one here, and another one over here. This block force indicator automatically identifies these levels for us. You don't have to draw them manually. Next, let's turn off the block force indicator so we can hide it. Now, let's turn on the quantum smart tool indicator. You can see that the quantum smart tool displays long and short signals, showing us where we can actually take trades. For example, in this live trade on gold, you can see that if you had entered a long position when the indicator signaled long, you would already be in profit. The indicator has already hit take profit 1 and is aiming for take profit 2 and take profit 3 over here. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use both indicators together. So I'm going to turn the block force indicator back on. First, we'll go into the settings of the block force indicator. To make the chart cleaner, we're going to turn off Show Classic Order Blocks and also turn off Show Extreme Order Blocks. We'll leave only Show Strong Order Blocks turned on. I think that's perfect for our settings. Then we click OK. This way, the block force indicator will show only strong order blocks on the chart, which makes everything look much cleaner. That means we have fewer order blocks on the chart and can focus on the most important levels. So next, let's change the settings of the Quantum Smart tool. First, change the sensitivity to 4. Then, adjust the risk to reward ratio to 1.5. After that, scroll down and leave the other settings as they are. To make this trading example more realistic, let's also change the deposit amount to $1,000. I think that's all we need for this trade. The sensitivity setting we changed will give us fewer long and short signals, but they'll be more precise, helping us get better entries for our trades. Once you're done, click OK. So, the idea behind taking a sell trade is very simple when using these two indicators. First, we're looking for the price to retest this red bearish order block over here. We wait for price to move back into that zone and react. As you can see, if you watch the chart closely, you'll notice that the price has already retested the bearish order block and started showing bearish momentum to the downside. Next, we wait for the Quantum Smart tool to print a short signal. So first, we wait for price to retest the bearish order block, and then we watch for the Quantum Smart tool to give us confirmation. Here we have the short signal printed right after price rejected the bearish order block. With the short signal printed, we can now see the entry, stop loss, and take profit levels plotted on the chart. If we want to enter a short position here, we place our stop loss at the level shown by the indicator and set our take profit where it's displayed. Let's allow this trade to run. As you can see, the trade keeps moving in our favor, and it eventually hits the take profit level over here. So the trade idea was very simple. We let price retest the bearish order block and wait for it to react. Then we wait for the Quantum Smart tool to print a short signal. After that, we place our entry, stop loss, and take profit as shown on the chart. You can see that the trade successfully hit take profit. Our initial deposit was $1,000, and our current profit on this trade is $239. So this trade turned out to be successful by using these two indicators together. Taking a buy trade is obviously the opposite of taking a sell trade. All you need to do is wait for price to retest a green bullish order block identified by the block force indicator. Let price bounce off that level, then wait for the Quantum Smart tool to print a long signal. You can see here that the long signal appeared after price had already bounced off the bullish order block. If you were to enter this trade here, place your stop loss at the level shown by the indicator. Set your take profit where the indicator displays it. Let the trade run. As you can see, the trade hit our profit target over here, and that's how you use the block force indicator and the Quantum Smart tool to take both buy and sell trades. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.